Hello, and I'm here today to talk to you about Les Deux. It's a brand that we've had for 2 seasons now. This is our 2nd season. It's from Copenhagen. We've had a very successful 1st season with it, and there's some really exciting product that's coming this season with it. I would like to start off with my personal favourite, the Liberté Égalité sweat. Bit of toweling on the front. The fits on these are fantastic, really good. The fabrics are great, but the fits are really good. You get the nice tricolor sign off on the back, which is pretty consistent throughout the collection as well. Just a nice little touch. That's a fantastic sweat, that really cool. Then the iconic Encore sweat in grey. I really like the grey navy combo on that. Again, this one's fleece back, whereas the Liberté Égalité is loop back, so it's a little bit warmer. But that grey navy combo is really cool, really cool. My personal favourite shirt, bit of an overshirt, but absolutely love that for the winter. Really soft handle on it. There'll be no itch on that at all. The colourway is fantastic. That navy khaki colourway, really cool, really easy to wear. Look great with a pair of raw denims. That. Nice little Encore t-shirt as well. Good little t-shirt. And then some of the best trousers that I've ever tried on. Fantastic fit. Sort of a smart trouser, but with a slightly more casual fit. So you can wear them smasual if you like. Slightly loose around the thigh and then quite an aggressive taper towards the bottom. You don't want to wear these too long. You want to wear them quite neat to the ankle, so quite flush to the top of the trainer, or even a little bit higher if you're feeling a bit brave. And the stretch in these as well, so they're really comfortable. They're a fantastic fit. If you're not looking for a chino and you're not looking for a pair of jeans, you just want something that's a little bit different, these are your boys. They're really cool. They've also got some fantastic fitting hats. I'm wearing one now. This particular one is made out of cord, which looks really cool for the winter. I've also got like a melting wool one here. Get nice, again, the sign off, fantastic. They just look great. I've got these in a few different colours from last season. They're really cool, Great brand. We did well with it last season. We sold out of it pretty early doors, so get onto it early, have a look, have a try. I think you'll really like it.